Hey, I'm Bec Gange, Axis team rider and professional wakeboarder. Docking your Axis becomes second nature after a while, but like anything, there's a learning curve. These tips will help you look like a captain in no time. Whether you're a veteran boater or first-time captain, there's one main rule to follow when docking the boat. Never approach the dock faster than you want to hit it. In other words, approach the dock slowly, and never be afraid to abort the attempt and take another pass at it if your angle or speed is off. The time to prepare fenders and dock lines is always before you dock. It's a good idea to have midships and stern lines prepared, as well as fenders for the bow, midships and stern. Never put yourself between the dock and boat for any reason. Instead, always let the fenders do the work of cushioning the boat against the dock. When it's time to dock, consider that due to prop torque, your axis will turn to the right while backing up. Use this to your advantage while docking. Approach with the intent to dock on the starboard side of the boat. To do this, slowly pull into the dock with your bow at about a 45-degree angle to the dock. When the bow is about a boat length away from the dock, put the boat in reverse to kick the stern around. When you get the hang of it, this should land you squarely on the dock on the starboard side, ready for your crew to take care of the dock lines. It takes some practice to get the speed and angle just right, so remember to always take it slow. Next, it's time to head back to the ramp, load up and go home.